Malek runwang, malek shengdar, malek tiang. Ana gwad titino, malinga jo metino, an wale, Justin Banaling Kanor Online TV, Katilod Rodian Kode Killing. These are top stories from South Sudan and around the world. Banajato Katin Konelat Karodian. They wrote the palping Kaliang ko ke very important. Andamandu ni chang kwas nyak malaya nong roi na gwasame. An wale shanka wal dish ka pay badak ron kin dangro wijan dangro with the ditch. Bana ler titi bana kalinga gwa. Ler nyaman baling kel gwasame ni. Mandi shop kajan badak wa tekere deni to shop ke kis la deni SSPDF no ken de internet yen ketini ke deni SSPDF te sha kwanya la peacekeeping force nge ke kere wi ke juba ka cha ngi den cha jatuk bana mishit kana me bana jelin kel do badana len kona jagwas me rojan chalat and more than 1,000 soldiers from the South Sudan People Defense Forces and 10 Chalkabo SSPDF have officially start training for a possible United Nations peacekeeping mission. Nediti to Nenian Gategwasame, a washimandage of Kajan Badak Carodian volunteer and will become native Dini SSPDF ko bikanwa la dini tebulat ke United Nations kel peacekeeping mission na me awa important step along ko men nishang la kamala bain ke jor cha mala gur ke no kan bikawa kanetin kontin la dini among these soldiers are Haiti women. This is an important step because women participation in peacekeeping force help bring a different perspective to conflict areas, especially when working with women and children in crisis zone. Jo dan en gor gajen ode mande ka let keje ta dan en ode mande kan we care ka god tiene ka men ajan dua badan and chalat kajen go wukan kaja. According to the SSPDF spokesperson, Wooden Shalke Major General Lure Kong, a Janet training dung de ni SSPDF cha ka to kajan jokama. Kashanka wal jokka pai badak ron kin dang rawi de jan dang rawi de dich dora Shalke un alet training center, which is located to the northwest of the capital city Juba. And gwada dan ngay kanetitin mente jan bada kel kaneti chop ke kisten koken mi mangwane wuni radian wa duobe dane to kajen go ba training ba ja to ka ngut kan training ne to chana kon gor ne ka kor pen dangro te shiwa no kajen gwa se dan chala no ana ramin no kan no dera application e dera je last rage there la di SSPDF ka UN mission there or the report ka there wargane ka there ka last stage can all the requirement shalat gwase dan wuri shal ka me general lure kong yala do ne gor ka jeno bijina rami mala citizen ray we ka so Sudan ka bitikarun wal badak waka jandang jok ka jin ba bi point ba yi ka gwa ci jin biya yong alo bi point ba gwa anyok janagoro janoba beteke senior force certificate la klat waro mitika certificate ki equivalent level of education then and gwasa mo baji kwany no ki baji no gaken ajan dobe dan HR requirement sha kalat keje me gorga jeno banat ba ka kwany tin kontin bikula de ni SSPDF ka UN mission. And that was what they have done made an electric requirement The recruitment process started 2 months ago. During this time, the Army announced that applicants had to meet certain conditions. They had to be South Sudanese citizen, be between 18 and 30 years of age, be physically and mentally fit, and have at least senior force certificate or an equivalent level of education. General Lul Ray Kong explained that when the announcement was made, many young people show interest in joining. The requirements were set to make sure the soldiers chosen would be ready for both the physical and mental demand of peacekeeping work. George Ken Ladene Kimen Chaladen General Lure Kong Jangwate Dane announcement make the Jacon Dialing and on a watching when it in one long washi can Rodian Martin ko de can more de can join de kaladi ni when a woony a many when yet no ki amended it. Rudian by the way commended it a long shake of guar. Chijero Lure Kongela no can requirement a tin gorke tin channeling no one and no gorgan of Jiran South Sudan Kapon by Yuk Pal Kapitarun Walbada Urun Jandang Diok and no a gorgan over be class do ki jin bijinjika gorm take a senior for certificate. Janlar Kajako Banetin Conterun Kobu peacekeeping work UN mission lat kajano ko bran bete ka ngwane tibangachet ke tok da tok ko ene dil ngach ke to Arabic ko bo communicate Canadian con tin wagang a UN mission cause na many o bana ba ko gang jo me Michigan lat Canadian training mo ba jalat ke godang diok no gwadanyam kanene BGSSPD fine can content training B-tube. Okay, can training take between 3 and 6 months. A lot take the collarno take per dog work per buckle back in it reality back in age. Dob down back in age back in age dob down road a gankaja. Backing a basic military skill, learning discipline and understanding la gurke ko bran beroda ngajen wo nga ta dan inshallah keje wa ba tae dan shana kon nge keje keron kin dang rel bang wana jen ba apply on. The training will be done in 2 stages. The first stage will be led by the SSPDF itself. This stage will last between 3 and 6 months. And it will focus on basic military skill, learning, discipline, and understanding the legal rule under the SSPDF Act of 2009. And second stage in Banyoka Miyoske ere ngikana mo can be United Nations mission but bikana mo bikana kan la do barode biken now ngejalaken. Alanatin content la United Nations ke UNIMIS no Canadian content be dinity be karaleka according to international peacekeeping standard do badan ngey ke UN peacekeeping kaja Canadian content be kan nganyok mo kan ke ngejakan menyono kan wa be ka lada lonka be ka jan ko baka kula UN be ka dini UN so michigan micha binge jalong yol jano tela dom be kan alat. The second stage will be led by the United Nations mission in South Sudan, also known as UNIMIS. This part will prepare the soldier according to international peacekeeping standard, which mean they will be trained in how to work alongside other UN troops from around the world. Okay, and this part will prepare the soldier according to international peacekeeping standard and handling corner. General Lure Kong Jawan Chalat Guasame Katada Nabadi Nibaka train Kaja. General Lure said that military intelligence and police officers are already present during the training to make sure discipline is maintained and that all trainees follow the code of conduct. If the soldier complete both stages successfully and if the United Nations approve them, they will be ready to serve in peacekeeping mission in different parts of the world. This is not only a personal achievement for the soldier but also a point of pride for South Sudan, showing the country commitment to supporting international peace effort. Jowarat ke Mogwaseme General Lure Kong Jaram Dala spokesperson ke kume SSPDF jani and training dana batu ke diniti au ba diniti ba ke dil ngech ko ba ke nang ke standard mila dungwen mon kelu ko ko kenyam stage nyam lat ko gwazam ba ngeje kende ni SSPDF ko kore no ba ka kula nang ji UNMISS ko bikan wulat ala UN peacekeeping force. So ne ti chop ke kidne ti chon ke lengti radian men ti chop ke jan badak tikatin ngwana wune no men bana kula ngai gwasa me o kene diality mulat ko no peacekeeping force no ba je ngeche jek. Peacekeeping force is not an easy task. It means leaving your home sometime for many months or even a year to work in place where conflict, poverty, and danger are part of daily life. The inclusion of women in this mission will hopefully bring more understanding, trust, and positive change. And will be worker peacekeeping force check. But go time do go jen will be jin busy ko jin bidorun bija bain pin and wana mo and bo gwada dan and dong later will let and dong the endang with the dien ka country do dien. Imagine if you are not ready for that, tell gwan me there work aja abne ko ken because look ko ken ideality bo gwan me take a core by nang ten lot in a course and Jeremia and ke 2013 la jiwin to goal ko ken la kanang kare which ke chao nong re wika South Sudan ko bi kana bi ken ka begang. So a lot of work she method de jananka some place method danger tetin directetin ketiliatetin. So na me ajo mashallah den wo bikume mendana la kume South Sudan men ngi SSPDF kel ken kume UN bi ka let kel ere na maka men ko lat gol de me long o ken man tishop ka jan badak eno shika ladian chicken ka to ka shika waka jan training adan and link on gwasame ko bi Kennedy ni UN peacekeeping force. Take jom shalat kume SPLIO chicken mandan and shalat kirma yadit Ray Wicha ka South Sudan shi kene dismiss bana mishit kene me bana jelin kel ka tadan and chatwoka ja. Gwazame kalara bana ling kume SPLIO say Kir dismissal destroy peace deal. Do badana jikir me yadi chenetin kon tinla jikume SPLIO cheka joy kejere which ka South Sudan ray kuma ka transitional government jalan go jan chamal chejayar. Do badana yaramal kaja bana jeling kel gwazame. La Sudan People Liberation Movement in a position la kume SPLIO marwaike first vice president Dr. Riek Machar la ken chika reaka long kata danan chi president Salva Kiir yadit chane ke chaka wikeja do badanan chi Kiir yadit eno chanetin content ka kume SPLIO chaka joy keja cha jalok anetin content la party members wone kane dial tin content chunkel ka kume SPLIO kajo chalat gwasame the Sudan People Liberation Movement in a position or SPLM-IO led by the first vice president Dr. Riek Machar has reacted strongly to President Salva Kiir removal of several of its top officials. SPLM-IO said this action the final nail in the coffin of the revitalized peace agreement signed in 2018. Jowo chalat gwasame kume SPLIO shikemen chikonaling wado badanan shikir me yadi teno she kume SPLIO sheka joy keje wanyu de jan wo jan chamal chejayar mali dane sha tan ke 2018 kane jen jokkan me mishala de kirme yadi de shikime yadi chedwer chejalat ko bene dialan kon tinte re kume ka Dr. Riek Machar beka joy keje ka kume men la transitional government men gurkan wo delat. According to the statement by Isaac Gang, the SPLIO representative in the United States, the move was done without consultation and is a clear violation of the peace deal. udishal ke Isaac Gang jen che warga che jagor jene warga dan en gware ne je kuma kirma yadit kamen je ka dan en chalat Isaac Gang jen aram kelmal te ka SPLIO maku represent ni SPLIO ka United States jen man chala da kirma yadi da jene a violation of the peace deal cha ta koron kina dangra wi wal badak kam Dr. Riek Machar ken udishal ke me kirma yadit rai ka South Sudan ka shanga dio ka jok ka tiang President Kiir te ka jo michalat ka SSBC jen chala do ne jenish top government official ka kuma SPLIO she ka juj both national parliament kana cabinet ne re ka South Sudan che ka juj ka kuma no ka che ka replace ka datin content ka kuma would commercial ka parkol ko ntame che tuogo no netin content ngas ka kirma yadit no ngada netin content shunka parkol. On Wednesday evening, President Kiir issued several decrees. These are official orders removing top SPLMIO leader from both the national parliament and the cabinet. He then replaced them with members from a breakaway SPLMIO faction led by Stephen Parkour. Ne dialte konte George Chagwatken Chagalat Ude Shalke Parkour ko Parkour Ramadan en ngeden teme kira mesha kwainko bala kwer re which ka South Sudan ka gwa Dr. Riek Machar ngai kon Parkour ka gwa sedan jen ramimo mi cha ngat kir ka do be dane shegu ke jeno be kum SPLIO eno be jada ko mo kwa ngaji cha je kwa lora ban kwa ngaji ko jin bi kum na mo be jaya chede me cha ko la no wal ke 2016 eno ba ne titi ba ka jo cha ka ba la ne Parkour let nyo de jengo shi kir me yadi cha mal che jayar re wi ka South Sudan ko jen do be dan gore jeno dare kume men Raike Dr. Riek Machar dere jazil yar ka duobo dan en gore je ka je ka jo lin kon mo gwasa me baratin kon tilat ko rodien bana kaling ane te kon te cha jo je kir me yadit wude shal ke na tanelu yet teten gwade dan che kir me yadit che ka joiten Nathaniel Yet Perino, Jen Rami Mola, first Deputy Speaker, National Legislative Assembly, Jen Wood to Dar Guadamani, to Dr. Machar Taten, to Farouk Taten, to Wurishal Nathaniel Yet Taten, to Wurishal Deng Dengane, Tegatin. Nathaniel Yet Shaw, first Deputy Speaker of the National Legislative Assembly, Shawurishal Bear George Anyak, Deputy Minister of Finance and Planning, Chajojba. Deng Akon, the Speaker of the Council of State, Chaja Georgeba, Regina Joseph Kaba, the SPLMO Secretary General, Chaja George, Farouk Gadkot, Chaja Georgeba, Ala Kuma SPLIO, Chikana Ladno Men Chalat, Kirme Yadit, a Kenu Kankalaler. Jin mi wo jina kekene ke jogono wai ke ji of course na me dwer ko jene kume shi dung de kirmi yadi me nongo gwar me nongo yetin so mete ke mi shoda lad wo jene na re kume ka dare ke zil jogono be ya wo ka do reason why I'm replacing you with someone else o yen sha dwer me sha je dwer batele mi kirmi yadi de explain ke wo ne ke simple she get dismiss. The SPLMIO said it was neither consulted nor involved in this decision. They call it a flagrant violation of the peace agreement. They also know that the term is suspicious, coming just after a visit by the African Union Peace and Security Council. So mishit kaneme ken decision dan inshallah da kirme yadin membe jaje longo wobe ka gwam ci African Union shika wore weka South Sudan. Ci konanen ci ka roy ke kier ke ci ka roy ke ne ko kier ne ka jendien ka wera mo chwa kuma SPLIO chwa ka joch kandial ka ci galad no wukan ko cha 2018 peace agreement cha jabe dak so cha Georgia no teken ke deal do dien ke kuma SPLIO mo way kenetin kontila teken ke deal ke kuma kirme yadit. For those who may not know, the 2018 peace deal, called the Revitalized Agreement on the Resolution of Conflict in South Sudan, was meant to end years of fighting and bring stability to the country. If this agreement failed, South Sudan risked falling back into political armed conflict. Rami Mami Kwijen would deal e shalat karon kidan dangra wal baddaga no ngum lude bi deal ngaji no ne 2018 deal ke 2018 revitalized peace agreement lat ke je ko ba kore dana ci to ke 2013 ba je deal tuk ajen do ba dan lat ke je telle otherwise tella another choice medong de mal de je non ke je the only way and ba mal non ke je awomi chicken mi yadi kan dakru ma cha chicken mal chicken no kam ne ke special kin mi yadit en mal charge tan bang mal tan ke je ko binad bi ko loj marka bat kin mi yadit ke manan shalat dung de shemal amugo enten ko na shoden lat nishang la rona bak balar no ba mal ba jalat bikir be jawadak burona ba mal ba ulat bikir be jadak so kir dwale ka kwi o mishi kuin kwar shaben den che gorno dong de kuin kwar de jalat jen dwale je ka dakre machar adwal mi dit long gwe jen o mishi dakre machar shalara mi dong shi chalun ke che get involved ke election gwe kir no dong dere fail so kwijamo jaga kir ko chamal che jabu gorno ba jamal implement jen menen yenen o cholken dakre machar no jen criminal ile de tisho di an lot no ala kwet ken der ka jen adwale ko logo election ne 2013 root cause kana kon la den ngom to kore wi ka South Sudan up to now ka root cause kana lat me sha root cause ke me to kor me cha jala dera tya ka long de tar de jangaj tele ram de logo no jen shungo rode re wi ka South Sudan ka jina ajen kwar metakana ka ti ka power ka ti ka long ka ti ne to gor ka je ka jo ka jen wo shiro du bichung ka bom kene ku kene jalat lanu aro da chuonga ala kwar ko jen kin me yadi ti do badane na on yam ke je jabai kwa je le pen chonde anu da ro da chung ngo da ba chen ke ro da chung da no failva ke cha da pat balokani jen wo da ro da chung re wika South Sudan jen menen yana ma da ka wike je kir tel mu da dien ka jen menen yana ma tama yan ke je te lo yana do me kir den ko lo de rude no dakre ma chare barar ber ke election mi che dakre ma char che chu da ke election den ja tok de kirere shuru ka do da na gore jaja but nime da ne kwa country kwa je ke 2005 abene ke independent ke 2011 tele mishanen mlerode tele dor michi kir mi yadi jalat so mi nyodo node kir chamal cheja gor and wo dara bere wika South Sudan and this is fact mngai kona chane ngaje no mal South Sudan beben enemy shikir mi yadi che saranda ko bi mal be jeno ma kana mal kana jeno tel gwan be mal be ben keje barayna me yer mal long jenene wooden shal keme Stephen Parkol mi moram kel mi chekir mi yadi lelen tama jaram dana ngeda ne je ko be kume espela yo be jayar chirge me chitwong me dan wana me mu ete chekir mi yadi cheje pel right now lo muwe wiya gon je no be kuma dakre ma char be jadda ka jen kujemo ba kwanya ne tin konti de kel ka dakre ma char la ko kuma dakre ma char ko la yar na mi nyu je no tel mi shale mal mi bebe ka jano yo ne tin konti to kul te kel ka dakre ma char la ko wiya trete ne kan wo ba ka moy kerek so me kan ne nok by the way be ji yen long chirmate ne tin wanta mate kan re yen ka so amete tin malatke wude shalka me kirma yadit ko che gorno te kamal mi biben so ko mal ko je destroy ko jan te ka ne ka tinga jan go be mal be kana yar je tamala de jan go be mal mo be ja gor kana Stephen Parkol ka ne ka kel why karamadanan ku kan mala tan kela Dr. Yang Machar ngum la de mishir kana mo adwa mi mo gore jan go be ku me SPLA go be je destroy ka ja so jo me dara worka kon dial ka ta dan en charge lat keje anatin content re kumaka anu gwawo de mal der titin ka gwawo de na de kente mal batikir ma yadi cheje nok gor de kon dial te ka ngai ketin konte lat karodian jo do dianan banen nyok mu kwen kono gwasame alar muwa kada ti kontin te radio gorka inte ka Rwanda te ka jom chalat gwasame mgorba nyaka yakel. A student leader warned parent of costly education fraud abroad. Joban lat gwasame wa netin konti la gadwil gorka re wika so Sudan ko latin kontin cho gar win rar wa ken chicken dul gorga chicken gur no waken laka jak yotungwan along sia maniken tente ke Juba, especially the konti la MPs ne konti la official re wika Juba you gotta be jagrar bi jag yotungwan ken nyeku bad wamelet kene washi gwar den bana report me bana jelin ka jom inshallah ramkel gwadamene. A former leader of South Sudanese student in Rwanda, wrote Mawich Yakdeng, is warning parents to check on their children's education when they study abroad. Deng said that some students use the money sent by their parents for other activities instead of studying. He shared the case of a female student from the class of 2024 who completely faked her graduation after failing her first year finance courses. Wouldn't yana me shwale wrote Mawich Yakdeng jen che rany mi dir long che jagane itin kontin la jiwich re wika South Sudan especially kon la dies gan kata danan gorgat ken ka je win to goal jen cha gor ka Rwanda ka jo chalat gwaseme jene jogane itin kontin la gwane gan ken mane gan kamenda na lat ka gat ken Michigado jagrar ka witen kokien gore jen obia education and certificate ne ken biya ka check gwada dana ticketin ko tema yotla yen ka jagenetin konti la disgan la toga no bi ken ngar kake ala yula jaka kenetin kontin lagat bi disgan bi yobi ken ka jaka Rwanda, Uganda, Kenya and all that wa yutin konen jaka ke yutin kono kwala la de beje long ray wich ka Juba yurim wala wial lakin wial nte koken kake te ke mishalat gwasame janete ke nyam kel mishi barar ka ron kine dangrawi jan dangrawi dongwan wajan chang dul gor kana jogor wude shal ka me rot Mawich Yakdeng jan chang dul gor kana jogor you know she graduate okay ajani cha graduate ala do dan ko graduate ke je ke yoro konen cha kame you know wa che will tailor ni fake graduation gown, print a fake dissertation written by someone else. Catch your friend, catch your invite her father from Juba to attend the ceremony. Chagwanche jako we sermon with Jack. Okay. Alo chagwanche chole ke Juba anyamo. Michigwanche chobore dul gorken winemi cause you know jaka jako be ngadulat be graduation nyara be jojak. Waka shenge dan esha graduation charge tokeje kan chon nyada kanaling. Kan chon nyada kana brar ko kana graduate. Jagwan teja kai kach and when she graduate. Okay? Ka shoot kwan ke Kenya Rwanda. La local language. A jene certificate de baja kam ko korfen da dang diok. So tell me sure the loot ka jana mo. A store mananan chalat gwas ma manager kwen ya ka do badana chalat keje bana kulo kala rekoken. According to Deng, she went as far as to have a tailor make her a fake graduation gown, print a fake dissertation written by someone else, and invite her father from Juba to attend the ceremony. On the day of graduation, her name was not read out. She lied to her father, saying it had been read in Kanyarwanda, the local language. She later claimed her certificate would be ready in 3 months, even though the school usually issued them in 2 to 3 weeks. It was only after the university spoke directly to her father that the truth came out. She had not been attending classes and had no academic record for her second and third years. Deng said this is not a single case. It happened every year because parents do not check their children. mark regularly. He advised parents to request their children's academic transcript and to be active in confirming their progress. He also tells students to regularly check their online account, called MIS account, to make sure their grades are recorded correctly. And jolat kon magwasame wudeme Michelle Kedeng, Cherado Wonena. Nyamadanan shi gwan cheje yimle che gwan cheje cholre wika Rwanda. When go bereka graduation da, Me ya shoot chol kan shure kana je. Then after that, cho jono gwan no we shoot chaga chol ke tok Rwanda. So chicken shure chicken chol jek. No. Cho gwan jogo no telere ka korpen dang diok bi certificate ba berar. But certificate wala berar ke nin ke jong dang diok ka jane pa dang diok. Wa me kwala ngai ke jeno jene certificate che faked. Awa shi jidwel gorka pone chikan cholo gwan gwas danen che tokten. Gai chol ta jogo nyadu ko saram diram jen ka so Sudan ka gwa graduation ka nyar, so is a very proud father. Very proud parent ka nyada ko be nyo na no ka nyada. So gwe jeno yodi ala kone jak chikan do lor bang. Graduation chu chol me ja chol ji university cha jogo no jen nyadu ke dol gor ka cha jaten tele michalat second year third year tele grenade cha recorded. So munyu dodi jinni jira mi ci gar ke ja wido den, please check on them. Ngare ken you recall en ka jak ngar ken ka ngar tele mo gam let ken, so you better checked out. So jo me dara we kaya ka jen kui ko bien gat kun bien ka check ka ta dan teken ka jere dul gor ka dien ko chwa gor jen wo bi gat bi ka ngar no ka kwak che mo gwa ka she chong. So mu shit kana me de konaling lar dien bana nyoka me kwen kono gwa seme bana right ka kui Unity State ka jo mu shalat gwa seme Unity State chika mete shop ko kor awonyam chicken ka disarm chicken ka kola kanetin konti langwani jandana bana nyakel gwasame konta dan en chikume kirma yadit dina SSPD ya police ni rewika mayom ku Unity State chicken ma chicken kap ka bana jelin ka jalar mena mi jiram jidit gwasame gor jen wojin der shonkel kanwar online TV channel kan konore ler kana me ko bi content kona to bana ka kula ngach ano ko ngunalat ka rodi na rei wika so Sudan ka jan gwasme especially ala wejenan en la Unity State ala doran bi konin kon lat ko ten bana ka ling ala special report me bana linga ta dana shikume SSPDF chiko den jakob bi kan me ngwane nuari bi kan ka kaf akadwa barana kaf kan ka je chere mangai kona gor kano de kan netin kon tilang wana nuare de kan maken dial ke ta dan te ka de kan ka watch chere mangai kona no te kore te katen bana special report me bana je link do badan en charge no ka ja en Unity State chalado chicken mete shop ko kor wenyam chicken ka kolak Kennedy kon tilang wani bana lerme bana jelinke a very important message kan radial ko de kan rodian palping ka liengde kon madan le roda bana jelin gwasamene so le chana jelinkel ramnen kona ma gwasame jan kwardan en kaf Unity State Justice Reg Biemtop ano chajola do nena mete shop ko kor wenyam jene shaka kolaki shaka kaf kanetin kontin la tila dini ki ngwani netin kontin tere wichen winami bana mandan ki message dan chikan lat gwasam bana je kwen kel ko dobrande kon linka je akani am gore jano de je kwen ye ka tok English ka dobran cha kwen ke je then after that be je kul explain ka tok nat ana chana je linkel ka dobran en che tok je. In Unity State, the Governor Justice Reg Biemtop has announced that more than 100 illegal guns have been collected in the first phase of a voluntary disarmament campaign. This follow a peace conference where local leaders, chief and community elders agreed to remove illegal weapons from the population. The governor praised the work of a local administrator and chief but urged them to collect even more weapons in the next phase. Officials said heavy rain are making it hard to reach some communities, but they remain committed to continuing the program. Disarmament is an important step in reducing violence, preventing revenge killing, and making communities safer. These are the main stories making headline today. South Sudan soldiers, including women, began peacekeeping training in South Sudan. SPLMIO warned the peace deal may be collapsing. A student leader warned parents about education fraud abroad. United States began removing illegal guns from communities. And top story to link on katin content charo dia lat no re wicha ka so Sudan no ka leren joka bana lingwasame bana rocha ka kwi United State ji United State ka la do ne shikane dial tin contin la ne tin la ji wichet ke ngani shikala do shikan mai kien chicken ka kap no ka shikan mai shop ko kwor winyam chicken ka kap lere ne tin contin la kwar wichin winami lere ka tesloach no Kajowa shalat gwasa me Governor Justice Riek BM Top ka tada na chicken me chicken ka kep ka janameti shop ko kwaro nyam chicken ka kep re which ka United State kan na me jan doba nyam netin kona sham me ken kep jani ka netin kontin chiben nyam no akan kep ka bom ka jan the first phase na me jani jan stage nyam ke jan man nyam jani stage rawde odong ba ka kep ka bom mu wetwok kajo en chalat gwase me gwase dane china dol ka jere which kama yom ke ka United State ano ba ngwane ba me ken ba ka kef and when mo wa chwa yu nok anetin kontin la dit da which ka chwa nok anetin kontin la ngwane ka shu kana goro bikan match bikan ketub a lor tel kor dungdo ka gwase dan ci kume United State ci kan larno mo te sha me sha ka ngun men bene let ka ya bene mai kun bene ka kep ka bom. That was the ponye dan ci kan lat me kuna la jako no bina kai ke je bare tem ci jojo no shala do shingwane ci kan mai to ci kan ka ngun lora bang tel kor ki kan lagak no ke kume ka jo dan ci kan lat en re gwada dan sha me sha ka captain te de ne ji wan tekten UN mission ke ji unimis gorka no bi mala mo be ben re wi ke United State balat ka je ne ton wana no mishit ke na me shi o dong bi mal be ben bad gorka ne jando ba ne tin kon tila ngwan no ri ba me ken ba wo tit ka den ka me tin kon tit ka den wa gang ka rodien ke shit ke ngai kon ke trading dan la talk la ka ma ke it kataya dana cikin ya di jela rijen go de match ji United State de kekef wa ngoda bana mere ko ntama ne wai ka warap tel mai ken sha kef ci kon yuling bane no ka kor gwadan pai we an wo sha anwar sha ka ma ka netin kontila jahangala ngwani jane en kor di de ci tok to ko di to ko kan ma jane kan ka ke me sha ma jane kef tel ring mu de to gre wishin binemi minyo do di mugor ka jen wo bi mal be bere wi ka so Sudan a chame chaglo ngam kap ka chir mi kala no me ti chop ko kor ya kep re wi ka United State gore jen wo de ti dial de ka monitor de me tin ko la me jan de ka kef de me nuar de ka kep nyok ban man nyama kan me nen dial e kan ka kep mugor kan mugo ala tok gor ga jen wo me tin contente ka wi chal ka me great people administrative area kan metin content de kep kenyam siga metin content wa kep United State checken wo kwanwer kwa target kan ka meken so mo lo de jenene mi gorge jono bu South Sudan bete kamala tok ne di shalga team murleni ki great people administrative area la jabal a kap meken ko kenetin content nakana maika gat nanko kana no so ne di tigane ko ne meken kep kenyam dende na kulo kana di koken bad na me systematic way mo kwa target no reke je so me chama nyuar nang bugu chu tel power then ti dial bugu chu jek so jo chu kon linga chan right ka lori to shop ko ngwan re which ka South Sudan ka tin jek tin dial ko lat Carodian man do badana de nawo goy ka lere jok jenene kuma South Sudan no bate kamal gore jeno biken Dr. Riek Machar biken alone without Dr. Riek Machar ko dara kule participate ke dara gwa nan lat ka Malton la 2018 peace agreement bi South Sudan ba nyolo kor nana jentame jalwa yen ken Dr. Riek Machar anyok kap ko ne ko na wen wer kap ko me ken chan wer cha displace gon ken kon tekaten ka jonglei ka greater apanal ana waka unity state nana je tala gwam gwantama ka janote lwag yenka mi gorga jano bi mal be berewi ka so sudana Dr. Machar a kam jarar otherwise ka gwasan be ne titi te kap ko me kene sha bulon ko ba ka control teram de control ka bom teram de wo re mal ka bom ko genetic power no mo tela mal mi benong so jo lin ko na me ka lerin ko la kon ka lin ka do badan de mal dare ben ka je re wi ka so sudan one last thing kanetika lanwari chana no kono be konte ka mat chana no kono be konte ka mal development be bere widan but mi tele kon mat nyer ko dan ka rodan ya ko dan ka jaga nakaya jitiya ka dan tele gwabi mal be ben ka je jo me je nana gore de nyoka kon kel en bana nyaw je kala do dien chuje pero je no jin bi ledu ti bi ka nyoka ne de ko ken en wala a shanka wal dish ka pay ba dek ron kin dang raw wi jan dang raw wi dish en da mandu ni chan kon nyak mal ya non roine gwasame Kanwar online TV channel ene biata kamal bye bye.